SINSIM ASP series single head sequin punch press machine. Perfect for garments, shoes, bags, hats, and high-end personalized crafts. Available in 12 or 15 colors, single head. Working area, 450 by 400 millimeters. Modular punching head. Supports diverse custom and irregular punching shapes. Customizable shapes and sizes with flexible combinations. One machine. Limitless creativity. Max speed, 1000 RPM. Closed loop control. Higher stability and embroidery precision. Industrial lens, 16 millimeters. Fixed focus for precise, full field scanning. Auto detection instantly identifies misalignments or missing sequins. One-click repair. Automated precise repunching for zero defect production. Max efficiency drastically reduces labor costs and processing time. Fashion meets precision. Infuse brilliant elements into every detail. Bring sequin patterns to life across diverse industries with exquisite texture and personalized flair. SINSIM ASP series single head sequin punch press machine. Efficient, precise, and worry-free.
Better embroidery, better life.